This video documents the restoration of exterior concrete that's been damaged by weather and age. The work done here is extensive and comprehensive. But much more practical than the prospect of full removal and replacement. First in the process is the removal of old concrete that would affect the repair's ability to withstand traffic and weather conditions. It's done methodically and carefully to minimize additional damage and dust creation. The process is extensive, but it's done with consideration for the surrounding grounds and landscape. All surfaces that will be treated are completely cleaned and made ready for the repair. Also a part of the repair process is the mechanical preparation of masonry surfaces which will receive the treatment too. Next is the patching of the prepared areas. This process is done using a product made to handle extreme temperature variations and is formulated to cure quickly. The work is done precisely to not only replace the damaged area, but also blend naturally with the existing concrete. The aim is to make a practically invisible repair. After this is the covering of adjacent masonry surfaces that are functional but will look different than the staircase after its repair. All concrete that did not need repair attention is coated by the cement-based material. This is done by applying a veneer of the patch and then smoothing it by trowel. Next is the application of the same cement-based patch to mimic a new masonry installation. This is done by skimming a coat over the existing concrete and repaired areas to create a monolithic and uniform surface. The work takes place methodically and carefully. Extra attention is paid to how the surface appears once the work is complete. The process therefore creates a durable and slip-resistant finish that gives the old concrete a new appearance. Finishing this restoration is the application of a protective sealant. This process protects the work against stains and weather-related wear. Once fully cured, the repaired area is open to traffic. And that's about it. Restoration of exterior concrete that's been damaged by weather and age.